Opened grapefruit sections, whether canned or bottled, require specific handling to maintain freshness and safety. Never store opened grapefruit in its original metal can. This can cause off flavors and metallic contamination risks. Once exposed to air, the metal can react with the fruit's acidity, imparting an unpleasant metallic taste. Immediately transfer opened grapefruit sections to a clean, airtight glass or plastic container for refrigeration. Proper refrigeration below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius, is crucial to slow bacterial growth and maintain fruit quality. Glass or BPA-free plastic containers prevent flavor absorption and protect against odors from other fridge foods. When stored correctly, opened grapefruit sections remain fresh for 5 to 7 days in the refrigerator. Watch for signs of spoilage, cloudy appearance, off odor, or visible mold. When in doubt, discard immediately. For extended storage, freezing is excellent, preserving grapefruit's taste and nutritional value for months. To freeze, drain excess liquid. You can pack sections plain or in light syrup or their own juice. Use covered airtight containers or heavy-duty freezer bags to prevent freezer burn and maintain texture. Freezer burn, caused by air exposure, leads to dry, discolored spots. Remove all air from freezer bags. For individual sections, flash freeze on a baking sheet first to prevent clumping, then transfer to a container. Ensure your freezer consistently maintains 0 degrees Fahrenheit, -18 degrees Celsius, for optimal food safety and quality preservation. Foods kept constantly frozen at 0 degrees Fahrenheit are safe indefinitely. Best quality refers to taste and texture. For best quality, consume frozen grapefruit sections within 8 to 12 months. Beyond this, quality may decline. Thaw frozen grapefruit overnight in the refrigerator. For quicker thawing, use a bowl of cold water, changed frequently. Thawed grapefruit may have a slightly softer texture. It's still perfect for smoothies, fruit salads, or desserts. Recap: never in opened can. Refrigerate 5 to 7 days in airtight container. Freeze up to 1 year for best quality. By following these simple guidelines, you can enjoy your grapefruit sections safely and deliciously for much longer.